Scalar product, the product of two vectors that results into a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity, a physical quantity that has magnitude only. Significant figures, the measured or calculated digits for a quantity which are reasonably reliable. System International (SI), the internationally agreed system of units used almost world over. Simple harmonic motion, a motion in which acceleration is directly proportional to displacement from mean position and is always directed towards the mean position. Slinky Spring, a loose spring which has small initial length but a relatively large extended length. Space-time curvature, Einstein's view of gravitation. Spherical WaveFront, when the disturbance is propagated in all directions from a point source. Stationary wave, the resultant wave arising due to the interference of two identical but oppositely directed waves. Systematic error, error due to incorrect design or calibration of the measuring device. Terminal velocity, maximum constant velocity of an object falling vertically downward. Torque, the turning effect of a force. Total internal reflection, when the angle of incidence increases by the critical angle, then the incident light is reflected back in the same material. Trajectory, the path through space followed by a projectile. A body having zero linear acceleration. Translational equilibrium, a body having zero linear acceleration. Transverse wave, the wave in which the particles of the medium vibrate perpendicular to the propagation of wave. Through, the lower portion of a wave below the mean level. Turbulent flow, disorderly and changing flow pattern of fluids. Unit vector, a vector of magnitude 1 used to denote direction. Vector product, the product of two vectors that results into another vector. Vector quantity, a physical quantity that has both magnitude and direction.